That's the one with the hard stop. The N relay, I think, advances the selector, or has something to do with it.
Interesting how the controller for that one is on the left, but the machine's on the right.
Did you call it up to 14?
Nope.
Would you like to go down and run it a bit? Then I'll go down and run it a bit. Ready to go. Oh. It's gonna start, I think.
This is the only car that's working.
I think these are the call relays. So let's see if we can get a non-conducive object to activate them. Have you noticed it's slower going up? This thing's just going around. Neat. Watch this brake. Things just going around like crazy. Doors closing. Here it comes. Stopping at 13 now. Doors open, you can see. Doors closing. It's going to start up. Probably going to go to 14. Down it goes.
Fuck is it nice?
It's being a Westinghouse, that's what.
It's just going between 12 and 13.
Typical Westinghouse relay logic activities. Just going nowhere. Just going around serving nobody's calls. Let's see, doors opening. And is anyone gonna get on or off? Nope. Dude, this thing's literally just been going around with nobody on it. I swear to God. Gotta love Westinghouse, huh? Oh, and it's coming back up. What is going on with this thing? Literally no one's... I think this thing just... Oh my God, dude, do you remember? It was going between 12 and 13 the whole time when we were outside too.
Oh yeah. Look at this. This is the generator for that car.
Oh
That's
yeah.
the generator for this car. This is the controller for that car.
What is this thing doing? Just all day. It's going between the calls. Should we figure out how to place calls? Yes. Oh, look. This is how you place them.
You just push it.
Mm-hmm. So let's get ourselves something non-conducive and place a call. Let's see here. What can we use?
Look.
That's a little too thin. How about this rubber belt? Nah. Let's use this Mick Cafe.
Lid.
Yeah.
Elevator constructor lid.
I think so. Let's go ahead and call it to... How do you do this? There you go. 2. I think we just placed a 2 call. So it should go down. Yep, here it goes. Look at that guy go. Look at that. Those are in fact the call relays. All right, bring it back up to 14. All right. Again, I don't recommend doing this unless you know what you're doing. All right, it's gonna come up to 14. Take a look down. Can we see it? Oh, yes, we can. There it comes. Here it is. The stops have seemed to become a lot more gentle in the time that we've been up here.
Yeah.
I swear the first time it stopped, the whole machine jerked. Now it's like, boop.
Goddamn
And it's probably calling itself back to 13. Yep, back into its 1312 loop. All right, before I end the video, let's take a look. Hey, could you shine your light back here? I need some light. Let's look at the tag. These, I believe, are 28 machines. Yep, the 250 feet per minute. These are from 1965, 2,000 pounds. Now let's look at the motor. It's a Westinghouse Lifeline DC machine, or DC motor. There you go, if you'd like to look at that. And of course it's going, yep, doing its loop again. The Westinghouse is stimming. Anyway, 2C2BC4-E4 is the controller type. 480 volts, 3-phase, 6-cycle, and then the signal fixtures are 125 volts.
The other car is just turned off.
Oh, I figure, yeah. See, there's the generator for the north car, which is not running. There's your back of your controller. These are your coils to slow down. Big resistors. Look at this. Here's the back of the thing. Talk about a beast, huh? The Westy 2BC. What a beast. Anyway, last but not least, let's get a look at this generator. Lifeline. Very nice. Anyway, the Westinghouse is just gonna stim all night. Anyway, that's all.